The 1968 Chevelle SS was a force to be reckoned with on the streets. Under the hood, Chevrolet offered big block V8 power ranging from 300 to 375 horsepower. But for those looking for pure muscle, the top SS engine was a 396 cubic inch V8 rated at 350 HP and 415 lb-ft of torque. This turbojet V8 featured an aluminum intake manifold, a hot solid lifter cam, and 11.1 compression. Mated to a Muncie 4-speed manual, this 396 V8 could push the Chevelle SS from 0-60 mph in just 6.5 seconds and through the quarter mile in 14.5 seconds at 98 mph. These were blazing fast times for a mid-sized car in 1968. The 68 Chevelle SS 396 represented the pinnacle of Chevy's mid-sized muscle car performance and cemented the Chevelle's reputation as a street screamer. The iconic domed hood and blacked-out tail panel gave the 68 SS an aggressive, menacing look to match its brute force power. Over 86,000 Chevelle SS 396 were produced in 1968, making it one of the most popular muscle cars of the era. With its brawny V8 performance and bold styling, the 1968 Chevelle SS 396 stands as one of the most beloved and coveted Chevelles ever produced.